How to claim Robux for Roblox on Microsoft Rewards. Today I'll show you guys how you can easily claim free Robuxes or Robux from redeem codes from Microsoft Redeem. Open up your web browser and simply search for Microsoft Redeem. Hit enter. Click on the first link that you see. Now from here, click on the redeem code. Now you're just going to have to quickly log into your Microsoft account. So I'm just going to quickly sign in here. And once you log into your account, you should see the homepage for Microsoft Redeem page. And now all you have to do is just go ahead and go to Microsoft Redeem. Now, from here, you could go to redeem Xbox codes or gift cards. Once you get to this website, all you have to do is make sure you're logged in, and you'll see the Roblox digital card right here on top. Once you click on it, you are able to choose the amount of Robux you want on your account. So you could choose from this drop down. So I'm just going to select 400 Robux. Scroll down, and then out of 6,000 points is 0. But if you use Microsoft Bing, you should be able to collect all of these points and then redeem the gift. That's it for this video, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful. I'll see you guys on the next one.